All right, well, thank you for joining us here at Connect 2016. We're so glad to have you. And why don't you tell us a little bit about TriLiteral and how long you've been a customer and what product you use?
Sure. Well, TriLiteral is a distribution center. It's a full-service 3PL. We service Harvard, Yale, and MIT University presses. We recently picked up 2 clients, De Gruyter, who is a 262-year-old German publisher, and Burkhauser as well. We've been in business since 2001, and we've been using Bookmaster right from the start.
Excellent. Great, so what are your key takeaways from today's user group meetings that you participated in?
Well, I really appreciate the direction. In fact, we were having trouble with our business intelligence software, so the overview of ClickView was very helpful. And we also got into some of the more details, and there was a lot more user interaction. And I think that went really well.
Good, that's excellent. And what would you tell a customer who has maybe never been to Connect? What would you tell that person about whether or not they should come to an event like this and be a more active participant in our user group?
Well, in addition to getting information on the current goings on, you get information about what's being planned in the future, and you get to interact with people that are using the software. And that's probably one of the biggest benefits is the interaction, even with getting to meet the people that you talk to on the phone, develop a more personal relationship, and help smooth things over. It's nice.
Good. So it sounds like you would recommend attending.
Oh, absolutely.
This event
Yeah.
in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Yeah.
And then if you had to talk about some of the key challenges in your industry or with your company that the software helps you sort of adapt to or really manage the change that is inevitable in anyone's industry right now, what are some of those key aspects that the software helps you accomplish or that you're facing that you're looking to us to help you kind of partner on?
Sure. Well, academic publishing is a little bit behind the 8 ball as far as electronic content, print on demand. They're much more used to physical printing, storing in the warehouse, and they were less concerned about cost even 5 years ago. That's all changed. So warehousing has changed. They want to have less inventory. They're doing more electronic content, more POD. Now, with the software we're using now, and even with today's meeting, we covered a lot of that. How to process bundling, packing, the electronic content distribution, web services. All those things are very important to our future, and that's what we're using now.
Excellent. Great. Well, we covered a lot. Thank you so much. And if you have any final thoughts that you'd like to share?
Just that I've been to a couple of user groups meetings, and this one I really like this one. We had a lot more user involvement. Talked to Frank about that too, and it seems to be the direction they're going in. So if you're thinking about going, make sure you make the next one.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
You bet.